What's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me. We got a 10-minute cardio workout here. Want to push that body and do what you can, okay? There's no break. Do what you can. Challenge yourselves. Here we go. We got some high knees. All right, nice and easy. Get those knees up nice and high. Swing those arms for me. Keep that back nice and tall. Get that body warm, all right? Blood flowing, breathing going. All right, keep getting those knees up nice and high, all right? Swing those arms. Don't drop those arms right there by your side. Keep them swinging. It's going to help you get a little bit faster. Good job so far. Keep it going in. Consistency here is keeping that breathing going, okay? Control the breath as much as you can. All right, that's going to help you last longest, okay? Get those knees up a little bit higher. Move those feet a little bit faster. Keep going. All right, right here into a jump rope. All right, so you're bouncing on the toes, heels are off the ground here. All right, swinging those arms. Keep it moving. Keep going. Okay, so it's working some calves as well, okay? So it's working some lower legs, it's working some shoulders here. Keep breathing. Nice and easy. Now we're gonna add in some butt kicks here. All right, side view. It's right here. Bending those knees, getting those heels up towards your bottom. Keep those arms swinging. Good. Working some hamstrings with butt kicks. Working that cardio still. Keep breathing. Keep it going. Nice job, everybody. Bring it on down. We're gonna do some squats, twist jabs. Bring it down. Good. Again, feet shoulder width apart. Bring that bottom back. Keeping that back nice and tall. Twist side to side. Exhale that breath. As you come up, exhale to jab out, okay? Twist side to side here. Again, if you need a little more, you go a little bit faster. That's okay. Good. Nice job, everybody. Keep going. Keep it working. Keep breathing. Keep those hands up, okay? Don't let them drop. Keep that back tall, okay? Keep that chest pointed forward. Twisting. Side to side, working some obliques. Working some shoulders as well with the jabs. Alright, bring those knees up right here. Swing those arms. Yeah, these are like high knees, okay? Just getting those knees nice and high. Crunching some abs, swinging those arms. Working shoulders. Exhale. Every time you bring that knee up. Good job. Keep it going. Okay, challenge yourself here, okay? No breathing room. Alright? But if you do need it, you can take a break and then get right back into it with me. Alright? But do what you can. Rest as long as you can. Nice job. Keep it going. Keep moving. Alright, we're gonna get into some front kicks and some side kicks next, okay? Alright, keep forward, forward, side, side. Forward, forward, side, side, okay? Good. Okay, working those outer thighs here. Working some legs, working some core as well. Keep it moving. Swing those arms, okay? Hands at center. As you kick to the side, it helps you balance. Good. Nice work, everybody. Exhale that breath every time you kick out. Inhale to bring that leg back. As you reset. Just a few more. Hold that squat position. Give me some quick jabs right here. Bottom back. Rotating those palms every time you pinch out, okay? Core is engaged. Bottom back. Good. Great job, everyone. Keep it going. Punch it out. Again, if you need a little bit more challenge, you keep that speed up, right? Right here. Punch like you mean it. Get those hands out. Close fist, palms are down. Rotating those palms. Alright? Keep breathing. Exhale that breath every time you punch out. Quads are working here. You're still in squat position. Good. Great job, everybody. 10 more seconds. Then we get into a speed back with some butt kicks. Okay? Keep it going. Good. Alright, speed back. Speed back is right here. Hands goes ahead. Getting those heels up. Side view, front view. Okay? Good. Good. Bend those knees. Get those heels up. Keep it working. Keep those hands above the head. Not in front of the face. Not right here. I want those hands all the way up above. Good. Side view again. Bending those knees. Keep it breathing. Keep it working. You got this. Nice job, everyone. Keep going. Keep going with those speed bags. Keep those feet coming up. Nice job. Right back into some jumping jacks. Okay. Hands all the way up, all the way down. Exhale that breath, just bring those hands up. Good. Good. Heels are off the ground. Bouncing on those toes. Works a little bit faster here. Good. Pick that speed up if you need to. Great job, everybody. Keep going. Keep pushing. Keep working. How are we doing? Still with me. We're in it together here. Okay? Bring it right here with you. Challenge yourself. Challenge that body. Challenge that cardio. Challenge your endurance. Alright, bring it down. Knee repeaters right here. Knee to hands. Exhale that breath. Just bring that knee up. Good. Again, my foot does not stay too much on the ground here, okay? It touches that ground and pops right back up. Working shoulders, working some obliques, twisting motion, working those abs, getting that knee up. Good. Nice job, switch sides. Great job, everybody. Keep it working, keep breathing. Exhale that breath as you bring that knee in. Ten more seconds. Alright, hands out, mummy kicks. Again, bouncing on those toes here. Keep 1 foot forward. Hands out, right in line with the shoulders. Keep breathing. Keep those hands up, don't drop the hands. Keep them up. Working shoulders. Breathing. Good. Good job, stay with me. Alright, about 30 more seconds for that. Great job. You got this. Alright, push yourself. Okay? Work for those results. Work that cardio. Burn those calories. Getting stronger. Pushing that body. Great job, nice and easy. Inhale through the nose, exhale through that mouth. Great job, you just did 10 minutes of cardio, straight through it. Alright, go ahead and pull in that right quad stretch here. Hold that balance. Hold that foot in nice and tight. Switch side. Step foot in. Alright, bring it on down. Nice and easy. Loosen up those arms a little bit. Relax them. Shake them on out. Reach those hands up. Breathe over one side. Other side. Back at center. Really chin down. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Alright, great job everybody. Nice work today. Again, stay fit, stay flexed, and I'll see you next time.